Every time you search for a business on Google, reviews are usually the first thing your eyes gravitate towards. They have immense power. Not only do they influence decisions, but they also boost a business's online presence. So how do you ask your customers for these golden nuggets? Timing. Strike while the iron is hot. Ask right after a positive interaction or once your services have been delivered successfully. Simplicity. Make it as easy as possible. Send them a direct link to your Google review page. Fewer clicks means a higher chance they'll leave a review. Honesty. Let your customers know just how crucial their feedback really is. A personal touch like a handwritten note or a direct email can be the difference between silence and a glowing 5-star review. Gratitude. Always express your appreciation. A simple thank you can go a long way. Remember, the best review comes from genuine experiences. By fostering a culture of excellence and actively seeking feedback, you not only enhance your online reputation, but you continually improve your business. So go ahead and start asking.